The map, fire, flood, national park information, as well as the photographic equipment that I use, if you're interested, can all be found down in the link or to the description below. And while you're there, give us a like if you like the video, and subscribe if you want to catch more of our adventures around northern New South Wales. Water, food, first aid, UPSs. Yep, so we're all rigged up. Got our deep herbs, is that what they're called? Deep herbs? Yeah, something like that. Snake guards. Personal location to ourselves. Snake guards on our legs. First aid kit. Whistle. Raincoat. These lovely flowers. Murrumbooee or something. Yay! What time is it? Started your watch? Negatory. What, did someone live in it or something? No, it used to be settled. Pardon? Used to be. Pretty cute. This area is named after William Mulligan, who passed away in 1953. He knew it well. Born of a local grazing family, he became a predominant citizen and mining engineer. He devoted his energy and vision to local development projects. He also proposed a hydroelectric scheme for this area. William Mulligan built 2 slab-walled huts here, each with a bark roof and dirt floor. A 1960s fire destroyed the smaller hut and damaged the other. The National Parks and Wildlife Service rebuilt the larger hut in 1968. So the simple hut is where William Mulligan planned a grand hydroelectric scheme. Cool, but it'll be made out of the river rocks. Okay, so we're heading to Murrumbooee Cascades. Murrumbooee Cascades. So we're heading south at the moment. Okay. Look at that one. The Murrumbooee Cascades walking track in the Gibraltar Range National Park is a hiking route which is around a grade 4 and it's around 6 kilometre return. Hey? Do you see many birds? They're all doing their thing late morning. Early morning. These are corkwoods by the looks of it. Maybe that bark.
You got what?
There's some cicada shells.
Pretty. Woohoo! Murrumbooee Cascades. Alright. Here they are. Huh? I believe it. I just can't balance just on that.
You arrive at a creek junction which narrows to where the Murrumbooee Cascades head over to an edge escarpment. And this is the site of the Bill Mulligan's second weir, which he built in 1920s. It actually measured the water flow of his proposed hydroelectric scheme. Mulligan and his partners were certainly visionaries for this time. And in 1942, the partners approached the Minister of Mines for a loan to reopen a copper mine in the foothills below here at Kangi. Unfortunately, they were not funded because the geologists and an independent engineer were not optimistic. The capital and the equipment was not necessarily available during these years. So when the partners' leases expired in 1952, the dream of supporting a hydroelectric scheme on the Dangara Creek died. 1 year later, William Mulligan passed away, but his ingenuity and devotion to electricity and his vision for local developments will always be remembered.
Okay, we had it was quite a nice walk through rainforest, quite cool, very much downhill on the way there, uphill on the way back.
Yes, very much uphill on the way back. Graded easy, but we had to stop quite a few times along the way. It was not that easy.
No.
So,
But still, it was a nice walk. A few people down there.
That ends our adventures in the Washpool National Park area for now. But next time we're heading to the beautiful New England National Park. We will take you to the panoramic, majestic Wrights Lookout and then into a beautiful, stunning Cascades walk. We hope you can join us.